Whilst being one of our smallest lights with high output, low power draw, a suite of accessories and applications, the STEDI Rock Light is one of our most versatile lights throughout our range. These 3 rock lights come in 3 variations: standard white, amber, and RGB. With these 3 different variations of rock light, it gives you a lot of power and control on just how you want to customize your vehicle to perfectly set your needs. First up is the standard rock light. With the 5700K color temp, it's a white light. It offers our highest light output and is ideal for crawling, lighting up workspaces, and marine applications. It also comes in marine white, which is ideal for your boat. Your white rock light is better suited for your rock crawling, so they're in your wheel arches, caravan setup, so that you can see what you're doing when you're cooking, either on the inside or the outside of your caravan, workspace, and just anywhere that you want that little extra output of light. And you might only have a small space to be able to set up a lighting solution in there as well. Next up is our amber rock light. With the 1500K color temperature, this amber light is ideal for camping, far less harsh on the eyes, and is good to keep the bugs at bay. The amber rock light is a really great variation because it gives that softer light output. It's easier on the eyes. It's great for putting around your roof rack, under your canopy, under your awning. It keeps the bugs away with that amber color temperature. And it's just a lot easier on the eyes when you're sitting by the campfire and you don't want to have that really harsh light blaring you in the face. And last but not least, our RGB, full color spectrum and app controlled rock light is customized via your app on iOS or Android, connects via Bluetooth. It adjusts your brightness, hue, flash, presets, and even voice control. With so many different color options of our rings and other accessories that you can add to the rest of the range of our light, you can also do this through your RGB rock light. So just adding a little bit more character and personalizing your vehicle. It does also have the same function, spotting your vehicle and going through challenging terrain in the dark, but just gives it that little extra flair for those who want to personalize their vehicles. Out of the box comes this flat rubber bracket. Next up is our 30-degree angled bracket. This is great for roof rack applications where you want to have that angled down beamed light. Just gives you a little bit more control of where exactly you want to point your rock lights. The roof rack light bracket for the surface rock light is perfect for Rhino rack and ARB roof racks, which have the foot mounts from your rack to your vehicle. For those of you with a Rhino rack backbone system, the Easy Fit bracket is a perfect solution for you to just screw it straight into one of the already available holes in your backbone system. All of our rock lights come with the following specs: IP69K, so the dust and waterproof, 120-degree wide beam angle, 9 to 12 volt DC compatibility, tough lens that is abrasion resistant, and they are all CISPR Class 5, which guarantees no radio interference. With endless versatility, small form factor, and a wide range of accessories, the Rock Light is an unsung hero in our STEDI range. For more information and inspiration on your build, make sure you head over to our website, and to keep up to date with new products, head over to our socials.